So many Americans dream of financial freedom, yet find themselves stuck in the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job. Rising living costs and endless bills make it feel like there's no way out. Student debt adds even more weight, making the dream of independence seem unreachable. Deep down, many just want more flexibility, time with family, and the freedom to live life on their own terms. The challenge is that most people believe starting a business requires massive capital and resources. They imagine warehouses full of products, complex systems, and skills they don't have. This thought alone stops them before they even try. The truth is, the barrier to entry is not as impossible as it seems. But here's the possibility. You don't actually need warehouses or heavy startup costs. Imagine building a business right from your laptop, without ever touching the products yourself. No big loans, no giant overhead, just you, your creativity, and your drive to build something meaningful. That's where dropshipping comes in. It's the bridge between dreams and reality. It gives ordinary people the chance to start small and grow into something big. You don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire to start. You just need the willingness to learn and take the first step. Achieve a $10,000 monthly income stream with the power of your laptop and spare time. I can't believe it. 2025 is already seeing thousands of people actively engaging in this. Join me as we explore this topic in a fun and accessible way. Hi, I'm Lena, and I'll be your guide for today's video. Welcome to Biz Mastery, the place where we say, master your business, master your future together. We are going to explore how you can take control of your financial journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you won't miss out on our tips for achieving financial freedom. We're here to support you throughout the process. This video is for education only. It's not financial or legal advice. Always do your own research and make decisions that fit your personal situation. Here's what you can expect in today's video. We'll break down dropshipping into simple, clear steps. You'll get relatable analogies, easy to understand visuals, and practical guidance. By the end, you'll feel confident about how dropshipping works and how you can start. This video, titled Dropshipping 2025, How to Start a $10,000 Month Business from Scratch, will get you started. Stay with me, keep track of what I'm saying, and jot down important points, because this could be a game changer. Let's begin. So, what exactly is dropshipping? At its core, it's a business model where you sell products without ever holding them in your own hands. Instead of managing stock or shipping boxes yourself, your supplier handles that part. You focus on finding customers and making sales while their back-end logistics are taken care of for you. Think of it like being a middleman in real estate. You don't need to build the house or own the land. You just connect the buyer with the seller. In return, you make a commission for making the deal happen. Dropshipping works the same way, but with everyday products people already want. To make it even easier, imagine a lemonade stand. Instead of squeezing lemons and making the drink yourself, you simply take the order and let your supplier deliver the lemonade directly to the customer. You never get sticky hands, but you still get the profit. It's a smart, simple way to run a business. The beauty of dropshipping is in its simplicity. No need to run warehouses, no need to buy products in bulk, and no need for expensive setups. It strips away the heavy lifting so you can focus on building your brand and reaching people. That's why it's one of the easiest ways to start a business today. So why is 2025 the perfect time for dropshipping? The world of online shopping has grown faster than ever before, and the opportunity has never been bigger. More people are turning to their phones and laptops instead of visiting stores. This shift creates an open door for new entrepreneurs who want to join the digital marketplace. Think of online shopping today like highways in the 1950s. Back then, highways were brand new and people were rushing to use them, and businesses popped up along every exit. Right now, The internet is that modern highway where shoppers travel daily. If you set up shop along the route, you can catch that traffic and grow. In the United States, people are shopping online more than ever before, from groceries to gadgets. Convenience is becoming the #1 priority. Americans love saving time and having things delivered right to their doorstep. This cultural shift makes dropshipping more relevant than ever. Dropshipping in 2025 isn't about getting rich quick. It's about creating a lean, modern business that fits how people live and shop today. By keeping things simple and flexible, you can grow steadily without massive risk. It's about building something real, step by step, that lasts. Step 1 in dropshipping is choosing the right products. This decision will shape your entire business because not every product has the power to attract buyers. The right products can feel like they sell themselves, while the wrong ones will leave your store empty. That's why picking wisely is the very first step to success. Think of product selection like fishing. The bait you choose will determine the type of fish you catch. If you pick the right bait, the fish come naturally. But with the wrong bait, you could wait forever. Products are just like bait. They decide who shows up to your store. One of the smartest strategies is to look for evergreen items, products that are always in demand. Things like kitchen tools, home essentials, or health-related items stay relevant year after year. On the other hand, avoid chasing short-lived trends or fads that disappear quickly. A stable product choice keeps your business strong in the long run. In the United States, the best picks are often simple, everyday items that solve common problems. Think about a kitchen gadget that saves time, a pet accessory that makes life easier, or a home fitness tool that people actually use. These are the types of products Americans buy again and again. If you focus here, your chances of success go way up. Step 2 in building your dropshipping business is working with the right suppliers. Think of them as the backbone of your store. Without them, nothing moves. A good supplier keeps your customers happy, while a bad one can ruin your reputation overnight. This choice is just as important as picking the right products. Think of choosing a supplier like dating. You don't commit to someone after just one message, right? You look for signs of trust, honesty, and reliability before moving forward. The same is true for suppliers. It's about finding a partner you can count on long term. A reliable supplier should offer good communication, clear shipping times, and fair costs. If they answer quickly, explain delays, and keep prices honest, they're worth keeping. These things may sound simple, but they make all the difference in building a strong business. Trust is built step by step, not overnight. Remember, United States buyers expect fast shipping and consistent quality. If products arrive late or broken, customers won't come back, no matter how nice your store looks. That's why your supplier must match those expectations every single time. Meeting these standards is what keeps your business alive and growing. Step 3 is all about your storefront, which is your online store. Think of it like the outside of a restaurant. If it looks sketchy or messy, people won't want to come inside. Your store is the first impression customers get, and that impression can either build trust or push them away. So the way it looks and feels matters more than you think. Imagine walking past two restaurants, one clean and well lit, the other dark and confusing. Which one would you trust with your money? That's the same for your online store. Clarity builds confidence. Customers want to feel safe before they click buy. Keep your store simple. Use clear product pictures, easy navigation, and a design that feels trustworthy. Think of it like labeling everything neatly in a supermarket so shoppers know exactly where to go. A confusing design frustrates people, while simplicity makes them feel comfortable. The easier it is to browse, the more likely people are to buy. For United States shoppers, speed and convenience are everything. They love quick checkout, mobile-friendly pages, and clear return policies. If you give them those, they'll trust your store more and keep coming back. Your storefront isn't just decoration, it's the bridge to building loyal customers. Step 4 is all about bringing people to your store. Think of it like this: you can build the best shop in the world, but if no one knows it exists, you won't sell a thing. Marketing is the magnet that pulls customers in. Without it, your store is like a ghost town. Imagine having a store in the middle of the desert with no roads leading to it. No matter how amazing the products are, nobody will find them. Marketing is like building highways that guide people straight to your doors. The more roads you build, the more visitors will arrive. The best ways to market today are through storytelling and connection. Social media lets you share stories that feel real, not just ads. People also love to recommend things to friends when they feel excited. Word of mouth is still one of the most powerful forms of marketing. In the United States, successful marketing connects with values people care about. That means showing convenience, saving time, solving everyday problems, and even helping them live their dream lifestyle. When your message feels relatable, people trust you more. Marketing isn't just about selling, it's about creating real connections. Step 5 is all about scaling, turning a small side hustle into something much bigger. Think of it like taking a single food truck that's working and expanding it into a chain of restaurants. Once you know people love your menu, you can confidently grow. The same logic applies to your dropshipping business. Scaling means taking what already works and doing more of it. If one product is selling well, you double down and add complementary items. It's about optimizing your store so every visitor feels drawn to buy more. Growth happens by building on proven success. A smart move is to reinvest your profits into tools and systems that save time. Automation can help you handle orders, emails, and even marketing. This way, your business grows without draining all your energy. Scaling is about working smarter, not harder. Scaling doesn't mean success overnight. It's about consistent growth. You're not buying a lottery ticket. You're building a real business with focus and patience. Reaching $10,000 per month is achievable. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the journey is worth it. We identified the problem, learned what dropshipping is, why 2025 is the right time, and the step-by-step path: choosing products, finding suppliers, building your store, marketing, and scaling to $10,000 a month. That's the roadmap you can start following today. You now have the blueprint to begin your journey. Dropshipping isn't magic, but it is a modern and lean way to build a real business. You don't need warehouses, giant budgets, or complicated setups. All you need is persistence, the right steps, and a willingness to learn. That's the power of dropshipping in 2025. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to Biz Mastery, and share it with someone who needs a new direction in 2025. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more dreamers like you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we can make entrepreneurship accessible. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the very first product you'd want to sell if you started dropshipping today? Drop your answer in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Your ideas could inspire someone else watching this video. Let's build this community together. This is Biz Mastery. Master your business. Master your future. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, Lena. Today, remember this: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep moving forward and keep mastering your journey.